In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Basecamp account. If you've decided it's time to part ways with Basecamp, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth and easy transition. First, you'll want to access admin land. To do this, go to your Basecamp homepage. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see your avatar or profile picture. Go ahead and click on that image. It should bring up a drop-down menu. From this list, you'll want to select the option labeled Admin Land. Admin Land is essentially the control center for managing your Basecamp account, and it's here where you'll find all the necessary administrative settings you might need, including the option to delete your account. Once you're in Admin Land, you'll need to locate the Owner Actions section. This section is dedicated to actions that only the account owner can perform, so if you're not the account owner, you'll need to contact the person who is. Scroll down through the Admin Land page until you reach the bottom. Here, within the Owner Actions area, there's an option that reads, Cancel this account. This is the button you'll be looking for to proceed with the account deletion. Now, it's time to confirm the cancellation of your Basecamp account. By clicking the Cancel This Account button, you'll initiate the cancellation process. It's important to be certain about this decision because the cancellation takes effect immediately. After confirming, your account will become inaccessible right away, meaning you won't be able to log in or access your projects anymore. Make sure you've saved any important data or information you might need before you take this final step. Remember, deleting an account is a permanent action, so ensure that this is what you want before proceeding. If you have any reservations or think you might need the account in the future, it might be worth reconsidering or contacting Basecamp support for any assistance they could offer. There you have it, a straightforward and simple guide to closing your Basecamp account. Hopefully, this video has made the process a clear and manageable one for you. If you have any questions or encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. See you next time.